Let's build mobile apps together with Claude Code. We'll make them from scratch with no previous experience. We're gonna build them step by step through vibe coding. So that's with the help of AI, artificial intelligence. I'm gonna show you how to launch the app, monetize it, and grow it into a serious business. And this is all beginner friendly. Hey there, I'm Chris Barron, and I've founded and ran a mobile app design company for over 5 years. In that time, I managed to get over 100 million downloads, and I've generated over $500,000 in revenue. I'm telling you all that so you know that I have real-world experience. I've been in the trenches, so this is not just theory, I've lived it. Now, in the past, you needed a team of expensive developers to build, launch, monetize, and maintain mobile apps. But nowadays, we can do everything with Claude Code. Claude Code is an AI platform that anyone can use. Just tell it in simple English what you want done, and it's gonna create all the working code for you. So it's gonna code for you like an employee. But just to be clear, this course doesn't assume that you know how to code or you know how to use AI or even Claude Code specifically. No, we're gonna take it step by step by actually installing Claude Code together. I'm gonna explain everything in detail, so this is very much beginner friendly. And at the end of the course, you're gonna have your own mobile app launched, but more than that, you're gonna know exactly what you need to do to build the next one. Now, in this course, we're gonna make an Android app on a Windows machine, but you're soon gonna see that all of that is irrelevant because everything I teach can be used on any device and on any platform. And that's because I teach principles that are universal. So if you're on a Mac and you're looking for an iOS app, you wanna build one, no worries, everything in this course still applies. And here's why. This course is different because I'm a designer at heart. I'm not a coder, so I'm not gonna complicate things with difficult terms. I'm gonna explain all the complicated stuff in simple English so you can focus on the big picture. And here's my perspective. Actually, building mobile apps with Claude Code is not gonna be too difficult. Follow my steps and you're gonna see you're gonna manage just fine. Windows or Mac, doesn't matter. Because the tricky part is getting users, making money through ads or subscriptions, making users come back to the app every single day, not getting suspended on the App Store, and so on. So those are some of the principles I'm gonna talk about. And here's everything that's included in this course. And as you can see, coding with AI is actually a very small part of it. This is the real value of the course. This is where my 5 years of experience in launching and building a successful company will really help you out. I'm gonna tell you the actual good stuff, not just prompts or how to use AI. You can find all of that on the web. What you won't find is these fine details that make all the difference, like what stats you need to check, what type of ads you need to show, how you can grow your revenue, and so on. So all the fine details that make or break your app. So this course is for everyone who wants to start something exciting, and nothing beats the feeling of a growing MRR, and that's monthly recurring revenue. And here's the thing, you make 10 cents today, then 20 cents tomorrow, then $1 per day, then 10 per day, and so on. MRR, monthly recurring revenue. The number keeps growing, and you realize that this is an incredible way to make a living. Now, is this gonna be hard? Of course, 100%. Claude Code changes every single day, but I'm gonna teach you how to manage that, how to get over all of that frustration and get results as fast as possible. Now, there is one more barrier besides this being somewhat difficult and you needing patience. You can start with a $20 plan for Claude Code for this course, but if you plan on actually launching multiple apps, you will soon have to upgrade to the $100 plan. While that's pretty expensive, it's still incredible value for what you're getting. A good mobile app developer charges that for 2 hours. So $100 is actually fantastic value because again, a good developer charges that per hour or maybe $50 an hour, depends on the region. But yeah, this is gonna be exciting and it's gonna be something for the future. Invest into your career, have a look at the lesson plan, and you'll see that this course is different than most regarding mobile apps. Now let's get started and build something exciting.